So my name's Dave Craig, I'm the MD of Repair Wizard and we're surface repair specialists. So our core business is repairing damaged items. And lately, in April this year, we decided to start Jet Wash Wizard to run alongside Repair Wizard. And the reason why we started this side of the business and came into contact with Streamline was we were being asked to clean things before we worked on them. So we were being asked to clean buildings before we worked on them. We were being asked to clean fire damaged houses before we did any work on them. And so it naturally took us down the route of looking to do this work ourselves. So Jet Wash Wizard was also born out of challenges. We didn't want to be just reliant on repair. So the repair world is very last minute. Nobody knows they're going to damage something until they've damaged it. So because of that, we don't have a forward order book, normally only a couple of weeks. So the Jet Wash Wizard side came in because of the challenge of wanting to create a forward order book. And that business is now allowing us to book work in months in advance rather than just maybe 2 or 3 days. We wanted a one-stop shop jet wash cleaning vehicle package. We looked at initially putting that together through us having our own vehicle and then having that engineered to be a jet wash vehicle. But we found very few companies that would sort of do that for us. And the reason why we liked Streamline and their solution is it is the one-stop package. We went, told you what we wanted, we told you our budgets, and you provided a vehicle and everything in it that absolutely met what we needed. And it meant that we drove that vehicle out of your showroom on a Wednesday, I believe it was. On Thursday, it was out working and earning money. So we've got the full diesel-powered hot and cold pressure washer with the built-in tanks. We've also got the window cleaning system with the DI filters and the RO filter as well. And then we also took, I think we had 3 of the pole systems. We had the large rotary cleaner, we've got the soft wash trolley and pump, which is invaluable for loads of different things, and then a variety of lances. And so when we picked up the vehicle, it was fully racked out, everything we needed. In fact, it even had water in it. All we needed to add was the driver. So it really was like perfect. It's so simple to use. It's just, from a jet wash side, you turn the key. There's nothing that can be made any simpler than that. We don't have to worry about the servicing element of it because it's taken care of by you guys. We rock up and the pole's straight out the back or the lance is on and it's just built for like super efficiency. I don't think there's anything we would change on that vehicle from what's already been in there. Normally we like to look at things quite critically and go, well, how can we improve this process? But really there's nothing that can be done to improve it. It's a really good system. It's performing better than expected and it is cost effective. So it's generating some fantastic revenue for us. So we found your service really good. Dealing with Ziggy was fantastic. So from that time to coming to meet you guys at the factory and seeing what you do to now, it's great. I've really supported. If I do have any minor issues or questions, Ziggy answers them straight away, or one of the team answers them straight away. It is really, a side of the business we thought would be our sideline really, and it's rapidly starting to become its own successful side. So, and will it continue?